Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you this leather wallet craft set. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up. We're gonna try it out and I'll show you what it looks like.
This set has everything that you need to be able to start doing this leather craft start to finish. It features all raw leather parts with leather dyes, leather finisher, edge burnishing gum, craft glue, and 3 colors of waxed thread. We also have 6 pieces of leather stamping tool sets, alphabet and number stamp set, nylon mallet, swivel knife, leather cutting tool, wood slicker, a complete leather sewing kit, plus a beginner's guide and custom wallet template. I'm excited that we have everything that we need, even for beginners, to be able to start learning how to do this craft. Everything in this kit is made of high quality, heavy duty material that is built to last. I also love the access to comprehensive, easy to use instructional videos to walk us through step by step of the process to be able to create this fun craft. If you are looking for a fun, unique Father's Day gift, birthday, anniversary gift, or gifts for other purposes to any DIY enthusiasts, this is definitely worth looking into.